Hi.
Hello everyone, I am Hanvel. Today I have an idea to make a costume to wear on a sunny autumn day. My idea to make a simple retro style. The dress is knee length, the upper fits well, the lower dress forms a line, and the long sleeves are slightly puffed to create a feminine look. The material I choose is black velvet because the shrinking material is also easy to move. On this dress, I will tie some white buttons for a vintage look. Now I'm going to make patterns and cut fabrics. Usually before sewing, I like to pin a piece of fabric together on the mannequin to fit the outfit just like I want. So it looked like everything fine, but unfortunately, I cut the velvet fabric from the dimensions and making one side light and another dark. I have to cut it again. So the cut is finished. Now I will start sewing. In this video, I didn't have a recording for process of sewing because I wanted to focus on making the dress. But I have the result here. Basic dress is finished, 2 layers. Now I'm going to get the button mark and button stitching. The sleeve I have served and now I will stick on the dress. Fortunately, everything is so far so good. That's so nice done. Let's hang out. Hopefully weather is nice today for me.
I heard about you long before we met. You're winsome and you're young, at least that's what they said. Underneath your glitter and your gold, you can't deny the fact that you are growing old. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. I haven't gotten used to your scent. I'm certain you have had another cigarette. Nothing could prepare me for your style. The way your laughter seemed to go for miles and miles. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. Doopy doompa wumbo.